What's up, guys? This is my new project from around the house. It's the Broan FG600 LED grill upgrade for your ventilation fan. This replaces your basic bathroom fan grill. Looks like this here. And adds the functionality of an LED light here. It's a 3000K temperature light, 750 lumens. Some of the features are that this has fewer vent slots, a little bit larger, so requires less cleaning. Has a low profile slimline design. Should take about 5 minutes to install with no cutting and a quick connection. Let's take a look at it, open her up. So this plugs into the socket in the fan. Your fan plugs in right here. It's got two different springs. We're going to use those. Now let's head to the bathroom and get this in. So now all you got to do is pull the old grill off. Unplug the old fan. Get these springs, set them up. Plug the fan into the grill. Squeeze these springs into the other side. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or comments.